this episode, me and Firey are watching the Gummy Ask shopping short. I can watch this short. Here you go. Yay. Ah, this is my old jump skirt. This is not funny. Pop it low.
Hi there, Mr. Ask. Hi there. I'm doing to dress the girl costume.
Why, I'm dressed as the girl costume. I'm not a female. I'm male.
Tata. Please assure your pants is too bad to use. Great. Now you are not pants today.
Now Gummy Ask does not have pants today. Now have a red Speedo.
Bob, I just like it.
I like your cake.
It was me.
Okay.
Ha 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 ha. His butt is here.
Huh? Ah. I like the water.
Me too. Nice Speedo. I like your Speedo, Jackson Ask.
I have this headset.
I like this shop. Well, I have this one. What?
Wow, nice short. Me too. Me too. Dear viewers, please type in the comments what short or video we'll play.